Yeah guys, from when you reach us up, you know say you're by accident.
So watch the video.
Max the length. Yeah, so you don't know what we're going, and we don't tell them to go over King and Ali already and subscribe, and they don't know how we do things already.
Yeah guys.
EPIC Epic. If you're a drinker, get a special. If a movie style, popcorn, caramel style, and you don't know the shit, so catch you now. Taking the intro guys.
Was so forward.
Taking the intro.
Was so forward.
So forward. Boom! Yeah guys, so I see the man of the show today with big boy. Yeah, lobster settings we go. And over here so now we have some garlic powder right there, onion powder right there, salt and pepper. And remember, 3 simple ingredients and it's very simple steps, and we're not gonna go detail because we already done a lobster dish. So all we have to do is go back and watch it.
Yes guys.
So only thing we're gonna do now is just take out the meat from out of the head. So we're using the tail only guys.
Yes guys, and you don't have to throw away the head. It can be used to make stock, broth, whatever you want.
Or you can put this in a boil, whichever way you prefer.
Yes guys, extract all that flavor. Just a teaching of the tricks and tips.
Some people don't just hold the tail and pop it out, but you left all of the meat in the head that way guys. So we gotta do the right thing.
Yes guys, I notice we're using 3 simple ingredients to season this lobster because you don't need a lot of seasoning on your lobster, because you don't want to overcook it and you don't want it over seasoned, right? Because this take on season very well, so you just need a little bit and it will go a far way.
And in general guys, salt, pepper, garlic, that's enough for seafood.
Yes guys,
that's just enough for seafood.
Look at that.
And remember guys, all we use over here is straight mother seasoning, salt and pepper, always. We not say we not give Maggie a highlight, but we not use Maggie when it come to fine dine. Maybe you cook at home and so forth, you tip a little Maggie in it, because you don't know Jamaicans love the Maggie flavor, but when you come to King and Ali restaurant, straight salt and pepper guys.
Look at that guys, you see that? Meat is very fresh. And if you notice, everything is intact and that's good. When you're purchasing seafood, ensure that it is smelling fishy or of the sea. That's how you know that it is fresh. Meat is nice and vibrant.
Alright.
Color is popping. And everything is intact.
Sure,
Imagine the whole body.
To him fresh, the man hard to come out. For sure, say the meat well hold together.
Yes,
everything
guys.
in tune, intact, as Chef Alexander would have said.
Look at that, beautiful.
See that? We don't want that. See we know that?
Yes, guys.
Beard, feces and egg and all of that. We don't need that. So
Rest that aside.
So, we don't know how we bust the back of the lobster already. So we take out the main vein.
Yes guys, so we are going to catch you back when we are doing the seasoning, and remember to check out that lobster video. All the details will be there. So forward.
Yes guys, so we're there again. So right now we're going to season this lobster. We're going to start it with some garlic powder. And remember guys, season from high so it's evenly spread.
Yes guys.
Now some onion powder. And a little salt and pepper.
Lightly with the salt and pepper,
so now
guys.
we're gonna rub the seam guys.
Get it all up in there.
All over. Evenly spread. Oil normally spreads flavor guys. But
so if you have oil, you can use your oil.
Yeah.
Cut that man. Beautiful, right?
Looking scrumptious already, right?
Yes.
Alright guys, so right now this is going to take 2 processes. We're going to bake and grill. So we're going to bake first,
then grill. So let's go.
Forward with it, we're going to over the oven.
Yes guys, let's go. Yes guys, look at that. It's now a grill pan. We're telling you already 2 methods we're using, baking and grilling. So we're just going to add our garlic butter. And guys, if you guys check out that lobster video we're telling you about, you definitely see how we prepare this garlic butter. Yes guys, you notice that you're not only seeing one, you're seeing more than one. This is a catering order. So check the description for our Instagram and DM us and place your orders as well. We are wait pan. We know you're there behind the phone screen and you
we just
say,
have to make a video with this so we can know what really are going on. So that's how we got to work, you know.
Yeah, I said Jano.
And if you don't want the seafood boil, you can order it, guys. We have prices from 5 up.
Look at that, guys. Beautiful, right? So we just gonna place him in the oven.
Forward with it.
Yes, guys, look at that. Look at that. So we're gonna leave him for 5 to 10 minutes and then we give him a check and we come back again soon forward.
Soon forward.
Look at that, guys. Yeah, hear that? Shh, sizzling. Yes, that's what we want. So we're just gonna add a little bit more of that garlic butter. You guys, the aroma, you don't know, Chef Alexander is a perfume for the kitchen. It's so amazing, guys.
Yeah, drink and get a special.
This is smelling so good.
Move the popcorn vibes.
Yes.
Caramel.
Get it all up
if you're
in
a meat
here.
lover, get a steak.
Yes,
if you're a pescatarian, lobster.
This is so good. This is so giving. Guys, just placing an order from now, yeah, man. It looks so good.
Anything. You name it, we have it.
Looks really nice.
Look at that.
Beautiful. Give it 5 more minutes and then
removal time.
Yes, guys, that time.
It's beautiful like a female, guys.
Soon come. Yes, guys, we're back again with the finishing touch. So we're just gonna add our cheese. Oh yes, guys. And we have our oil heating up on the stove top, guys. Just a little bit on you guys. You don't have to use too much cheese because we don't want this to burn, you know. Just enough. Look at that, man. And we're using 2 cheese.
But we're gonna make this partially melt first.
Then we add the next one.
So stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. Soon forward.
Yes, guys. On with the next cheese. Beautiful, right?
The red and the white. We're using mozzarella and red cheddar. Red cheddar, sorry.
And guys, after this cheese melt, you know that it's the finishing. Beautiful.
And for the plating, you can check the Instagram, guys.
Pictures will be posted over there. Soon come again. Yes, guys, we're telling you when you see we back again. Ready and ready. So we're just gonna run over to the plating station. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers for spam up the comment section. Forward. Look at that, guys. Look on the plate. Tell me. Sure, make we get on with the plating, guys. Beautiful. At its finest. Chef Reid and Chef Alexander, man. Yes,
Trouble.
guys.
No, I was telling you, guys. Everything, you hear that?
From I hear the scrape, you know what time it is, man. Everything. What you think we are come with now, guys?
Watch and see.
Let me hear in the comment section.
You right there.
Yes, guys, or polenta cake. Them here soon they out on the market, guys. So just wait on the date. Then you can just purchase, right? And feel free to follow us on Instagram. The pictures will be posted over there. Look at that, man. Ooh, beautiful, right? Yes. Look at that, guys.
Everything.
Look at that. Oh my God. Beautiful, right? Mouth watering, I know. Cannot be complete without our garnish. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
One little rotation there, guys.
Beautiful, right?
Trouble is here.
Yes. That polenta cake there. Guys, this is so beautiful. Right there. Beautiful, guys.
So tell me what you think in the comment section. What the fuck? Spam it up.
Spam the comment section, guys, and let us hear your feedback. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Yes, guys, so this is it, or to go. We're just showing it on the plate and we are showing it to go. So that's it. Beautiful, right? Or marinara right there, and or bami. Yes, guys, place your orders now. So bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.